The evolution of U.S. military drones for reconnaissance traces a journey from rudimentary designs to advanced high-tech systems that revolutionized modern warfare. The earliest concept of unmanned aerial vehicles (UAV) dates back to World War I. With prototypes like the Kettering Bug, however, these early models lack sophistication and reliability, delaying their widespread use. It wasn't until the Cold War that UAV development gained momentum. The U.S. military began deploying drones like the Ryan Firebee in the 1950s for reconnaissance missions. These early drones were primarily used for high-risk surveillance over hostile territories, such as during the Vietnam War. Despite their utility, they were limited by rudimentary guidance systems and a lack of real-time data transmission. The 1990s marked a significant leap with the introduction of the MQ-1 Predator. This drone featured real-time video transmission and extended flight capabilities, making it a game-changer for reconnaissance. Initially designed for surveillance, the Predator later evolved to carry weapons, expanding its role to include precision strikes. Its success in operations during the War on Terror solidified UAV as essential assets in modern military strategy. Advances in technology led to the development of more sophisticated systems, such as the MQ-9 Reaper and the RQ-4 Global Hawk. These drones boast longer flight durations, higher altitudes, and advanced sensor suites, capable of collecting a wide range of intelligence. The Global Hawk in particular excels at high-altitude, long-endurance missions, providing critical surveillance over vast areas. Today, U.S. military drones are at the forefront of innovation, integrating artificial intelligence, autonomous flight, and swarming capabilities. From their humble beginnings to becoming indispensable tools, drones have transformed reconnaissance, ensuring unparalleled situational awareness for military operations worldwide.
Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon if you like our content.